guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm bringing you this fabulous unit. Well, fabulous to me because I really love big afros, and this one is called Afro Wig Large, which is L here as I said on the stock card. The model has on bright red and I have on the color 1. This wig specifically has so many colors for you to choose from and it's so gorgeous to me. I really love this wig. It's giving me some cool vibes. I just really love afros. As you can see on my Instagram page, I have tons of photos with me wearing an afro. It's not that one because that one is another one that I have. It's a bit smaller than this one. This one is a lot bigger than that one. And this is so full and gorgeous to me. I just love afros, you guys. So here are the 1,000,001 colors here that they have. And I will leave those in the description bar below, so you guys can check those out. They also even have a 613. I think I saw someone in the picture on Instagram with one of the 613 one and it looks so pretty. So this one is so big because when I saw the large I said oh, and then I saw the stock card. I'm like, okay, it's not really that big, until I pulled it out and I was like, oh, this is huge. Like, it's covering my entire forehead. It's really big. Like, it is. And this wig doesn't have any combs or anything, so if you guys are wondering if there's any combs to better secure the wig, it doesn't have any of that, just adjustable straps. And I don't think there's any air tabs either, so you could do pretty much whatever you want with it. I noticed the new style, they put like a part in it, but I just like it full like this, you know, full and big all the way around. They would consider this a carnival Halloween wig, but you can wear this wherever you want to wear it. Halloween, not Halloween. I mean, I'm gonna wear this outside regardless because it's looking fabulous and I love this wig a lot. I had to switch it up a little bit and put some hoops in so you guys can like get the idea and get the look, you know. It is so good. I just love this wig, y'all. I really love it. This one is from Freetress Equal. I keep forgetting. It's from Freetress Equal. So here's the stock card again. Freetress Equal. You can find this pretty much anywhere. I would leave links as always so you guys could go and find where you can purchase this wig if you want to. But my favorite color would be this color and probably the 613 and the purple probably. I saw the blue, but it looks a little bit cartoonish. I guess if you want to like do something else with it, but I like this one. It's very nice. I love it. But tell me guys, what do you think about this wig? Would you wear this outside? Would you actually wear this afro? Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video, and don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. It's always down below if you are wondering where it is. I'm always on Instagram mainly, so you guys can go and check that out. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel and my videos. I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.